Hey everybody! So today we're going to work on a yard machine push mower. It was given to us and we're going to try to get it going. The recoil is broken and he said it wouldn't start. So we're going to tear into it and see what we can figure out. So the previous owners tried working on this before and he shortened it up, shortened the rope up too much and it won't pull it enough to start the engine up. So we're going to put a new rope in it and fix her up. So now that we got it off on our workbench, I'll show you how to replace the rope.
Yep.
Hey Liam, can you bring me the screwdriver?
Yep.
So what we'll do is we'll pull the rope all the way out. Okay, that's all the rope that it's got. So now, well, I guess it's not all the rope that it's got, but how it's frayed out, it won't let it pull out anymore. So we're gonna have to go ahead and pull it all the way out. I was hoping we'd get by without doing that, but hand them side cutters over there, Liam.
What?
Them side cutters. Cut that.
Alright.
Let it recoil back. We'll pull this out.
Sorry.
Hand me the driver.
Ah, let's go. Oh.
So, that's why we wouldn't pull out all the way. Because the casing was pulled back and it wouldn't fit back through the hole for the recoil. Got that?
Where's that
We'll put a new rope in it.
Will it help? Is that the lawnmower rope?
There's some dirt and stuff down inside there.
Ugh. Good thing you're wiping it all out.
So we'll go ahead and put the recoil back in there.
Go ahead and put the recoil back in. Yep.
Make sure the dogs come out free before you tighten it up. We'll go ahead and tighten the spring up. And once you get it, the coil all the way tight, you want to line up the hole where the string goes through with the hole that comes out of the shroud. And find it right there. And then what I do is I put a screwdriver in there. The way it'll hold it where it needs to be. So you can just push the string through there and tie it off.
Fresh new rope that we got from yesterday.
So we're going to burn the end.
I can put that in your pocket.
Melt a little bit and makes it a little more rigid. So that way,
Smells bad.
we'll feed it through a lot easier. So much easier. But then we'll pull out about 6 feet.
About 6 feet.
Go ahead and cut it. Right there.
Right there.
Yep.
Go.
Okay.
Now you gotta help burn it.
I'll pour our old trusty old lighter back out.
Just like magic.
And this is the end we're going to tie onto a knot that goes into the shroud. We'll just tie it in a regular old knot, square knot, whatever you want to call this thing. Let's pull it, just like that. And the other end. So we'll pull the rope out of the handle.
And then you pull it through the handle. And then you're on the new rope that we just got.
And we'll put the new rope in. And we'll just put a temporary knot in there for now, just to hold it. So that way we can adjust it when we put it on the mower, and because this is one that goes up on the handle. So that way we make sure we got enough and get it adjusted right. So now we can make sure you hold on to the rope, pull the screwdriver out, and let the spring do its job. And it pulls all the way back.
Now that
And it
should
works.
have
So now, let's put this bad boy back on the mower. Y'all hang tight. We'll move back over there. Okay. Okay, now we're back at the mower. And let's get it put back on.
Wee. You think we'll be able to start it up?
Okay.
It's able to start? Oh, yeah, it's not. Good one. It's able to not. Right there.
Oh, no.
Oh, so if you're real connect, well, you are right now. There's a chance, like a 0. Oh, like a 25% chance of it starting with this. Oh, yes. Okay, see that?
I guess I'll ask what you're done.
Yeah, you want me to go ahead and see what starts first? I just want to see what starts first. You can use that one, not use this. Hang up, needs to be up here or down here.
You will.
Or I'll get the other side.
Come back. Come back. Now we're gonna put the paint back on the house.
Did we bring it out of the garage?
Okay, now we're just gonna move everything out of the way and see if we get it to start.
By the way, if you guys don't know who's gonna make this thing start, it's me.
And my son, he's gonna be the one trying to pull start it.